Greg Marchand here. Welcome to 0 to 60, where we teach business management skills and service counter selling skills in under 60 seconds. Almost never. It takes 2 or 3 minutes. Look, I maintain that post-COVID, there's an incredible opportunity in the automotive service industry for customer service. Before COVID, I was starting to think all of y'all are doing the same things. The tide has risen. The bar is now high. Where are we going to find customer satisfaction stuff? And then COVID happened and people got grumpy. And I am telling you right now today, there's a tremendous opportunity to increase your level of customer service. It could be as simple as your greeting, how you greet customers. Do you greet them at the door? Do you greet them out in the parking lot? Do you get rid of the service counter and have kiosks? There are 100 things you can do, right? Telephone skills, learn better telephone skills. Figure out how you can have a customer concierge service where you can pick up and drop off customers' vehicles for service. That way you could charge a premium for that. People will pay for that today. So there is a tremendous opportunity today in terms of creating customer service opportunities. Get creative, scour the internet, pay attention to those businesses you do business with that do a great job with customer service. What do they do? How do they do it? And can you borrow that idea? Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.